Once upon a time, in a vast green meadow, there lived 3 mighty bulls, sown white, 1 red, and 1 black. For years they lived in harmony, grazing together, protecting each other from danger. Whenever a wild animal approached, the 3 bulls would form a strong circle, standing united and fearless. But lurking nearby was a sly and hungry hyena, who watched them closely. Knew he could never overpower the bulls as long as they stood together. So he came up with a cunning plan. One day, Hyena pulled the black and red bulls aside and whispered, "Why do you keep the white bull around? Without him, you'll be safer at night. He's only holding you back." The black and red bulls, fooled by Hyena's lies, turned against their friend. They pushed the white bull away, thinking they were stronger without him. But now, alone and vulnerable, the white bull was quickly devoured by Hyena. Not long after, Hyena returned. He found the red bull alone and whispered to the black bull, "With the red bull around, you'll always be in danger. Get rid of him and you'll be safe." Once again, division set in. The black bull abandoned the red bull, and soon, Hyena ate the red bull too. Now, only the black bull remained. The black bull asked, "What are you after today? Are you here to eat me too?" Hyena just grinned. "You were eaten the moment you betrayed your friends." And with that, Hyena devoured the last bull. Dear friends, remember this. Our strength lies in our unity. Divided, we fall prey to those who wish us harm. United, we are unbreakable. When we stand together, we are heard. When we stand together, we grow. When we stand together, we are protected. But when we divide, we are lost. So, let's speak and act with unity. Stand together, grow together, and never let anyone or anything come between us.
Subscribe to my channel.